Hey guys, so today I'm making Nigerian meat pie for the very first time and I am so excited. I started off by pouring in 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I added 200 grams of unsalted butter and mixed till it looked crumbly. Next I beat 2 eggs, added a 1/4 cup of water and mixed. Then I poured that in the dry ingredients I set aside. I mixed that up till I got a nice dough. Covered it and popped it in the fridge to rest. Now for the filling. I heated up some oil in a pan, tossed in some onions and gave it a quick stir. Then I added my minced beef, broke that apart and stirred until the color changed. Time to season. I went in with some seasoning cubes, a little salt, curry, thyme and paprika. Next, I added some diced carrots, gave that a quick stir and added my diced potatoes. I gave that a quick stir, poured in a bit of water and covered it to cook. After a few minutes, I added a little slurry to thicken things up. And just look at that filling. Perfect. My dough is ready. I brought it out, divided it into smaller portions. I sprinkled some flour on my work surface and then rolled out 1 portion, nice and flat. Then I used my meat pie cutter to make a round shape. I placed that on the cutter, then added my filling, brushed some egg wash around the edges and sealed it up. And just like that, perfectly shaped meat pie. I brushed the top with a bit more egg wash for that golden shine. I greased up my baking pan with some butter and gently placed my meat pie on. I popped them into the oven and this was the result. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what I should try next. Thank you for watching. Bye.